What is up, you guys? This is K Norm. My name is Norman. Welcome to my channel. So, to move this right along, we are going to be getting into Day6's newest MV for Stop the Rain. Day6 is back and better than ever. Now, the thing is about this is, I love Day6 and I know their names, but but we're just gonna get into this because we love Day6. Who doesn't love Day6? Day6 are kings. Like, Day6. We love Day6. Okay, we're gonna stop rambling here. So, it's gonna be Day6's Stop the Rain. Let's do this. Okay. There is only 5 of them. Oh wow. Okay. This reminds me of I can't remember that one music. Okay. Let's turn this up a bit in the ear. Okay, Jay. What's up, Jay? Is that is Young K? I'm pretty sure that's Young K, right? Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's Young K. One Pale! God, I love his voice. I could just like. Oh wow. I can't remember. And his name is unique, I know it. It's on the tip of my head, but it's just like not there. I love this. Sorry, I'm annoying a lot, guys. Sorry. I can't remember who's missing. I love the choice of green screen, and these like lights on. It's just Day6, man. Oh wait, he's falling. Man. Is that Young K falling? Okay, Jay. Hey. Hey. Just like, yes. Yes. Oh, they're all falling. These visuals are just really great. Oh, are they like raindrops? Oh wow. They are the raindrops. Oh my gosh. Wow. God, I wish I could remember his name. Their vocals just mix up. Like, is there really an opinion to give? It's Day6. It's just Day6. Like, They deserve so much. They worked very hard. Support, hey, hey. Wow. Honestly. Alrighty, so that was DAY6's Stop the Rain. I really loved all the visuals that they brought to it. It was just like, and it fits so well with their the sound of the song. It reminds me of one of their other ones. I can't remember what it is. It's not As I Wait. It's not Is it I Wait? It is I Wait. It's I Wait. It's I Wait. That's what it reminds me of, like the scenery in the background, like how they use the things in the back for their in the back of them. The green screen. The green screen. They use the green screen. That's what I mean. It reminds me of that. It reminds me of that. But yeah, there's really nothing for me to say. Like, there's really nothing for me to give my opinion on because it's great. DAY6 is great. Their music is great. Their visuals are great. The group is great. The voices are great. Like, it's DAY6. We love and stand forever. And I can't wait to listen to this album. Like, I really, really can't wait. I never know when anybody's gonna drop anything. Revella just dropped their teaser for today. And Momoland is coming back, guys. Coming back with a new single. I think. Anyway. But anyway, that's it. That's all I got for you guys. This is great. This is awesome. And this is DAY6. Stand and support DAY6 because they need that money, y'all. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any, I was gonna say if you guys have any questions, but I don't know why. If you guys want to subscribe to my channel, go right ahead and do that right there, right down there. And if you guys want to press the notification bell right next to it, just get a notification pop up on your phone or computer to when I post the next video. You can do that too. I should really do this when I'm more awake. But yeah, follow me on Twitter, guys. I will leave a link in the description below. And that's all I got for today. Well, not for today. I still really want to do this. Don't worry, guys. The train's gonna keep going for a while. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys. Thanks.